Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Don't let it be a mere ritual. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency that attracts and enjoys. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. No, actually, sacred scripture does only for one time our place in its message, despite not being its specialization. You know, even if it was the scripture of a time and age, it has value in its teaching outside of that. Everyone must have some faith in authority for their knowledge. I mean, look into your personal knowledge. You trusted someone else to even give you your meaning and use of language. When it is beyond mere entertainment, repetition should not be a problem. If we cannot repay a debt, at least acknowledge an obligation. Death and the spiritual are not to be exactly empirically measured. Animal bodies have souls, and no actual religion is merely bodily. Anxiety is a part of all bodily conditions. You know, don't think it's just a physical hardship or ease thing. Anxiety is going to be a present possibility, but of course we don't have to suffer, right? But we will learn. But we will earn those conditions in the afterlife appropriate to our spiritual condition. Killing in the right cause, which is just not killing in the name of, it's killing in the cause of, according to the consciousness and conditions, is not sinful. You know, the right cause, obviously, but not just any cause, right? Duty is not about ease or hardship. A bhakta must be in remembrance, worshipping, sacrificing, and chanting, or at least following along in the mind, right? It may not be about mystical powers, but in a way, the devotee can become birthless, deathless, and diseaseless. Whether children or followers, have many, but you fail them if you are not a guide to spiritual immortality. We need to purify and humble our emotions, body and intellect, to approach being godly. See the signs of the spiritual roles and presences in the physical opulence. On the physical, liberation is illusory. On the mental, it is temporary. Life is not the same as chemical reactions. Following of religion will follow the flourishing of the good works of its followers. Our consciousness upon sleep can direct our dreams, and we need to protect our control of our consciousness by sobriety and other such matters that prevent the living and sinful deaths. Don't think that there are innumerable divine incarnations, nor that religion excludes anything in life. Immoral sexual behavior, cheating behavior, and killing can also bewilder the senses. Don't delay God consciousness, but start upon the signs here. The chief rituals of this age require only the actions of the worshipper in appropriate clothing, sometimes appropriate place, but you don't have to bring all gold and jewels and particular animals and that sort of thing, as is afforded. A preacher must be perfecting of his being through the original perception as shown through actual scripture, which is directly revealed or directly inspired. Not, oh, I see something and I have an idea. It's just, the spiritual inspiration. Realize that it is not the living thing that dies, but the body it inhabits. And the verse from chapter 9 of the Bhagavad Gita that I feel like sharing is text 4. Maya tatam idam sarvam jagadavyakta burtina machthane sarva bhutane nacham teshv avastita. By me, all of this cosmic manifestation, by the unmanifested form, in me, all living entities are, but I am not situated in them. And when we think of God being situated on a throne or some other such thing like that last word, situated, avasthita, and let's think of this in terms of the non-limiting, and that's the point being made. The lack of specific incarnation in one thing or another. The lack of reliance. God being beyond, but now, God being in everything, but not the things. That's also to be thought of as well. But Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omnipotence, omniscience, omnipresence of light and sound goes beyond these vibrations, doesn't it? The God that we know through this goes beyond the vibrations. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.